Welcome to the Natural Health Podcast, where we bring awareness of sustainable health in the business hustle space. Natural Health Podcast is perfect for the high-performing business-minded individuals who want to work with their biochemistry to achieve optimal health. It's Tuesday, which means it's time for this week's top product review. Let's get straight into it. What we're going to be talking about today is so exciting because the whole world is talking about Botox. Well, are they? I think they are. It's all about looking young. It's all about looking absolutely amazing. And it's all about covering your age. It's like you're 50 years old, but you want to look like you're 30 and so forth. So today's podcast, I'm going to be reviewing a product that's going to help you with that, right? What if I told you there was a way to smoothen your wrinkles on your face without intensive surgery or injections, right? Botox has a long-term side effects. It is known as a neurotoxic, a short-term solution. I want you to know that. Look, if you have had Botox before, I am not judging. I'm not here to judge at all. What I'm here to do is to ensure that your health is an optimal level. And what I'm here to tell you is if you have Botox, it is a neurotoxin, which means it can mess up with your health. You may look absolutely amazing, but your health may be deteriorating. Not now, but later. It has long-term effects, right? You're injecting your body with neurotoxins, okay? So, is filling your face with poisons to temporarily minimize facial lines worth it? For me, the answer is absolutely no. I'm all about anti-aging. I want this face to be as young as it can be for as long as it can be, right? And that is exactly why I invested in gua sha. This thing right here. Mine is rose quartz. I absolutely love it. I love rose quartz as a crystal. It's probably one of my favorite crystals because it represents love, right? I'm all about love, right? So what is gua sha? Gua sha is an ancient, non-invasive Chinese therapy that is used a tool to rub or scrape the skin surface in long strokes, right? So the reason why I'm talking about it today is this is a facial gua sha, right? But Chinese use this all over their body, right? So the goal of the massage technique is to help move energy known as qi, right, around the body. It's all about moving the qi. If you talk to any traditional Chinese medicine doctor or practitioner, it's all about the qi. It's all about the energy movement, right? So we can see that this is a non-invasive, the gua sha facial is a non-invasive way to move qi and to look younger, right? So it literally opens up the pathways of communication, clearing blockages, promoting draining of excess fluid, cellular waste, and supporting the optimal flow of body oxygen and vital nutrients, right? So traditional medicine practitioners have used gua sha for centuries to boost circulation, blood flow, even to break up scar tissue, help out with chronic pain, and so forth. So rather than freezing lines with using the Botox, using the gua sha forms new pathways of blood flow and nutrients to soften signs of aging and support your skin, right? So the thing is how easy is it to put this in your morning routine? I do this about twice a week. What I do is this is essentially what you do. If you're watching on YouTube, you grab the gua sha. This is my one's shape. There's different shapes. And you do, I think it's about, I do it about 4 or 5 times. You move it up on your forehead, on your cheeks, same way, up on your chin, same way, up your neck, where your eyebrows are. You use this little tool. It's absolutely amazing. And you know what? I've put it into my routine now I've had it for about 6 to 8 months, right? I bought it at a spa place. I was just like, you know what? I've heard all about this. Let's just give it a shot. It was about $30. You can buy it for 30, 40, 50, depends what you get and where you get it from. And the thing is I've absolutely loved it. After it, you do get a red face, right? Get an absolute red face. But when you think about it, where there's redness, more oxygen's able to go. What does that mean? More nutrients are able to flow. What does that mean? Regeneration, right? So I'm all about anti-aging. I'm all about looking absolutely amazing, feeling amazing, but also being healthy. So why not? I thought to myself, why not? Why would I not invest in something that's non-invasive and it's going to help with anti-aging and make me feel and look better? Absolutely. It's just a given, right? But what I want you to know is also, remember the lines on your face are not are not to be resented, right? Each line that you have on your face, it represents its own emotion, its own journey, and its own memories. So why would you want to delete that, right? It talks all about your strength, your resilience, your absolute beauty. That's what I've got to say. You're beautiful as the way you are, but it's also amazing to incorporate something like this that's going to help your skin health, right? It's not about erasing lines. It's about being absolutely healthy and wealthy from the inside out, right? So this is gua sha. It's a little tool that could be used on your face. I got it from a spa. I'm pretty sure you can get it online, between 30 to 50 bucks, about that. So there you have it, today's product review. Thank you so much for listening. Until next Tuesday, love you.